Hey guys, here's Phil from ClevelandMoto, and we got 75th anniversary Vespas right here in the box. So everyone likes a good unboxing video, so we're gonna unbox it. These are the 75th anniversary. They come in their own special color, and they are supposedly amazing. So let's see how amazing they are. Oh, I like it. I like it already. And remember, these come with that cool back luggage container. Let's just call it a purse. Oh yeah. Very, very nice. 75th anniversary decal right on the side, big 75 for all you guys and gals out there. And then here we got the very, very cool bag. And let's see, I think it's an all black seat. Yes, it's an all black seat. It's got the nice TFT display. And if we swing over here, we can take a look at the 300. We already laid everything out for you because we're just that cool. Very cool metal wall plate. It looks like a pack of postcards. A gorgeous gold silk scarf. Extremely nice presentation on this bike. And check that paint out. The paint is amazing. Like, look at the metallic. It's just so much metallic in it. The decals are very tastefully done. I'm happy that they're not loud or outlandish, but a very, very cool bike. Of course, available in the 150cc and the 300cc. Both of them have the TFT display, so that's the best display that Vespa currently does. It's going to give you all the information, just like was on the Supertech, just like was on the Vespa Primavera S. So if you need any more information about these, contact us, Phil at ClevelandMoto.com.